So this is Nirbhay, and in this video we will see key differences between Telnet and SSH protocols. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, that is introduction to Telnet and SSH. Okay, so Telnet and SSH both are network protocols that are being used for taking remote access of any servers from your system to other system. Okay, but the main difference lies at their security levels. Okay, so in simple term, if we say what Telnet and SSH are, okay, so we can take example like Telnet is like sending a postcard, means anyone who sees it can read the message. Okay, whereas SSH is like a logged package. Okay, means like only the receiver can open it and read it. Like if someone else get that package, then that won't able to open it or read it. So it is like that. It will get more understandable as we proceed further. Okay, so let's go to our next slide, that is what is Telnet. So its full form is telecommunication network, that can be also known as Telnet, and it works on port 23, and while making communication between the server, okay, there is no encryption, means data is sent in plain text only, so which makes it vulnerable to security threats. Next, let's see what is SSH. So it stands for secure shell, and we can denote it as SSH. Okay, and it works on port 22, and here all the communication happening between the source and the destination are encrypted only, and as it was encrypted, so there is secure authentication and data transfer as it was already encrypted. Now we will understand it with the help of a comparison table. Okay, so as we have seen, Telnet works on port 23, whereas SSH works on port 22. In security, as we have seen, in Telnet there is no encryption, data are being sent in a plain text format. Okay, but here in SSH encryption is there. In authentication, as we have already seen, in plain text username and password can be found, whereas in SSH there is secure authentication with keys like public or private keys. Okay, what can be the use case? Like these are used in the older legacy systems or in a closed network, that can be also known as private network, whereas SSH it can be used for securely remote accessing of any servers. In data protection, as we have seen, it is not protected, so hackers can easily steal info of any in between communications, whereas in SSH it is protected, means even if data is intercepted, data stays safe. Like if someone also get access, then also your data remains safe. Now why we should use SSH instead of Telnet? Okay, so as we have seen, it ensures security and encryption. It prevents from credential theft, like as the data are not being sent in plain text, whereas it is sent in encrypted format, so there is prevention of that credentials. And thirdly, it supports key based authentication like public and private key based authentications. Okay, and ideal for modern secure environment, like most of the environments are using this kind of SSH, like public keys or different kind of key based authentications. At last, if you like this video, you can simply like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you want a practical video of Telnet and SSH, you can simply comment in the comment section. Till now, bye bye.